दो चार प्रॉब्लम्स और इसमें कि साइबर में किस तरह के क्राइम्स होते हैं अभी आपने देखा और क्या सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं। समटाइम्स मैंने स्लाइड का इस्तेमाल ही नहीं किया। लेट अस सी हियर व्हाट इज साइबर सेफ्टी, cyber safety threats, consequences of inaction, cyber safety actions, cyber safety act, home and work, campus cyber safety services. These all are the component in which you have to focus. इन सारे जगहों पे आपको फोकस करने की जरूरत है। अब आप देखिए कि व्हाट इज साइबर सेफ्टी, जो अभी हम लोगों ने practices measure and action you can take to protect your personal information, जो हम लोग अभी डिस्कस किया, how to protect your personal information. Suppose you are typing your question paper and your student is hacking your machines and printed the paper. That means you have to provide the safety to your document. Just I am giving one example. Suppose you are preparing a document as per the instructions of your boss. In the evening, you prepare the document, entire document, and save on your machines. And your machine is connected with the internet. In the morning, the next day, you are aware that I have prepared all the document, so there is no problem. You did not go through the document, you simply take the print out and given to your boss. After reading the document, boss become angry. But you are not getting why the boss is angry. Question is here, why the boss is angry? और बोलता है आपको डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार करने नहीं आता। इसका मतलब समथिंग हैपनिंग देयर विथ योर डॉक्यूमेंट। उसी बीच में किसी ने आपको फाइल को हैक किया, उसके कंटेंट को मॉडिफाई कर दिया और आप मॉर्निंग में आपने उस डॉक्यूमेंट को देखा नहीं और डॉक्यूमेंट को बॉस को दे दिया। अब वहां पे योर इंप्रेशन विल बी डैमेज। दैट मीन्स you have to careful about these things. So how to protect that document means you have to use the password so that no one can access it and modify it.
सर फाइल का पासवर्ड बना दीजिए।
हाँ फाइल का।
सर हम जो फाइल का तो पासवर्ड बना सकते क्या, हम फोल्डर का पूरे फोल्डर का पासवर्ड?
Yes, you can also make the folder password. You can hide the folder also. You can attribute. You can use the attributes. Yes, you can. You can hide also. You can protect with the password also.
वो कैसे ट्राई किया मैंने, काफी टाइम ट्राई किया।
बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर आते हैं आपको फोल्डर में पासवर्ड डालने के लिए।
ऐसे नॉर्मल नहीं है।
ऐसा ना हो। उसे only simply go to the folder options. There is option hide it.
वर्ड फाइल में तो ऐसे ही डाल सकते।
But in the case of you can use the MS-DOS command prompt, and there you can use alter key, attrib plus h and the file. So that will be the in the form of ASCII that is not visible to anyone, right? So you can do in this way. Okay. Another so important to protect your machine, that is known as the cyber safety. You are connected in the world with your mobile phone, so your mobile phone data are more important. That data may be retrieved by some other person. Retrieved by some other person, they can misuse. So at that time you have to apply the security and safety things, software to hide your data, to protect your data from unauthorized access. Clear? तो दैट इज द साइबर सेफ्टी. Another type of things that is the viruses. Virus means a destructive programs that is used to modify your document, destroy your document. That is a one kind of program. Sometimes people send a virus that will hide your file. Sometimes modify the content of your file. Sometimes it delete your file from the disk. So that is nothing but a simple program, destructive program. It is written by anyone. Clear? So see here the hackers. What is hackers? To hack your message is a name or a person, intelligent person you can say, who can hack your system, your software, your website. That is the hackers. And there is a motivation behind hacking your material. हैकर देयर इज सम पर्पस, कुछ ना कुछ उसका पर्पस होगा जिस पर्पस के तहत आपको साइट को हैक करेगा, यानी निगेटिव इंटेंशन टू मॉडिफाई द कंटेंट ऑफ योर वेबसाइट. सो हैक द साइट ऑफ बैंकिंग टू ट्रांसफर द. तो वन काइंड ऑफ ए हैकर्स इन्वॉल्व इन द साइबर क्राइम, राइट? सो हाउ टू protect your information from the hacker? I have already narrated you and discussed how to save your informations. Another, identity thieves. You know identity thieves. This is the common word virus and the hacker. Everyone aware about it. Another, that is the identity thieves. A person who obtain unauthorized access to your personal information, such as social security and financial account number. They use this information to commit crimes such as fraud or theft. So this is known as the identity thieves. Some people want to get your number, mobile number, so that he can misuse your mobile number. Sometimes people want to take your personal photographs. So such type of security also provided in the Facebook. Facebook, you can protect your personal information Facebook so that no one can see it. So the person who is target a particular person to acquire entire information, that is the totally personal information, and everyone not going to disclose their personal information. Clear? So that is the kind of identity thieves. A spyware. This is the another word. Have you heard this word? A spyware. You have heard software, firmware. Now the spyware. A spyware is not a person. A spyware is a software that piggybacks on programs you download, gather information about your online habits, and transmit personal information without your knowledge. It may also cause a wide range of other computer malfunctions. This spyware caches your activities from your computer. You are doing several types of activities on your computers without telling to anyone, and that all activities taken by a spyware, and it transmits to some other places. So that is known as the spyware. So that also come in the cyber world. So consequences of inaction, and everyone aware, once your information hacked, what will happen in your life? Maybe dangerous situation you have to face if your personal information, important information hacked by the people. They can misuse it. So what will be the consequences? To risk identified on the previous slide or of there is committee, you may face a number of other consequences. Fail to take action to protect your personal information. जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों से कहा कि क्या क्या कंसिक्वेंसेज आप फेस कर सकते हैं रियल लाइफ में। आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारे मुसीबत आ जाएंगे। अगर आपको एग्जाम्पल दे कि आपका आईपी किसी ने हैक कर लिया और उस आईपी के जरिए कोई ऐसा मेल किसी को भेज दिया, थ्रेट कर दिया, तो पकड़े जाएंगे आप और केस आप पे होगा और आप उसको सफाई देते रहिए, कुछ नहीं होना है। इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कम से कम साल भर तो नहीं, 2 साल 3 साल 8 साल भी लग सकते हैं आपको सफाई देने में। उसके बाद आपकी लाइफ जो है बिल्कुल ही बेकार हो जाएगी, चाहे आप कितने साफ है, लेकिन टाइम बीइंग आप कैच हो गए तो हो गए। इन द इंडियन सिनेरियो, तो so many consequences like loss of access to the campus computing network. Sometimes people can break down your campus network. Some loss of confidentiality, integrity and availability of valuable university information. If you are working in a university, your admission system is hacked. You have uploaded the selected students, all selected students' name is removed and new candidate name is uploaded there. Then what will happen? The actual student is not taking admission and other people are taking admission.
में तो मैनुअली होता है।
So if you are doing manually, there is no problem of cyber security. So if you are not using any technology, so there is no fear. If you are using the technology, that means you have to ready to face the different consequences. So cyber safety play important role in your life when you are using the latest technology. Clear? So अब इतना ही रहने देते हैं।